Hello students, a very good morning all of you. Today we are going to start chapter 4 which is CPU. Okay, so you all know about what is CPU. So let's get started and let's know more about CPU. So students, the CPU is the control center of the computer that processes the data into useful information according to the instruction given to it. Okay, so हम जो भी instruction देते हैं वो सबसे पहले कहाँ पे होती है? CPU में प्रोसेस होती है. ओके, सो CPU, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ CPU? कंट्रोल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट. सो उसमें जो भी हम इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं वो प्रोसेस होता है. ओके, सो द कैलकुलेटिंग, कंपेयरिंग, द स्टोरिंग यूनिट ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर इज अ central processing unit, CPU. CPU is present inside the CPU box. Okay, so CPU is the present inside the CPU box and it does all calculation of the computer. So student, whatever calculation we do in the computer, that does all calculation of the computer in CPU. Okay, so the CPU of a computer does the following. It performs arithmetical functions. Arithmetical functions means all the calculations. Okay, it takes logical decision. It controls the activities of all other unit. Okay, it controls all the activity of your computer. It stores data and results temporary. Okay, so CPU में data store होता है. ये सारी एक्टिविटी, सारी जो भी हम करते हैं प्रोसेस कंप्यूटर में, वो सब कंट्रोल करता है. लॉजिकल डिसीजन लेता है, लाइक हमें किस पे क्लिक करना है, किस पे नहीं करना है, क्या करना है कंप्यूटर में, जो भी हम एक्शन परफॉर्म करते हैं. एंड ऑल दी कैलकुलेशंस, ओके, वो होता है सीपीयू के थ्रू. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, 3 यूनिट्स ऑफ सीपीयू. डू यू नो व्हाट योर ब्रेन डज फॉर यू? आपको पता है आपका ब्रेन आपके लिए क्या करता है? इट रिमेंबर्स थिंग्स एंड टेक्स डिसीजन. ओके, व्हाट योर ब्रेन डज? इट रिमेंबर्स थिंग्स एंड टेक्स डिसीजन. ओके, सारे डिसीजन लेता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ों को याद रखता है. सो इट ऑल्सो डज कैलकुलेशंस एंड मेनी अदर टास्क. CPU is known as the brain of the computer. Okay, so CPU is just like a brain of the computer and the computer does all its work through the CPU. Okay, just like we take decision, हम हमारा brain use करते हैं for taking any kind of decision. Okay, as it is, computer में भी CPU works like a brain. Okay, it takes all the decision at all, it controls units and it controls many logical decision. Okay, so the CPU consists of the following unit: memory unit, control unit and arithmetic logical unit. So let's know about it. Arithmetic and logic unit, it does all the calculations and logical ऑपरेशन. ओके, सो अर्थमेटिक एंड लॉजिक यूनिट क्या करता है? ऑल दी कैलकुलेशंस को, ऑल दी कैलकुलेशन से रिलेटेड ऑपरेशन एंड लॉजिक सब करता है. ठीक है, सारी इन सब चीज़ों को कौन करता है? अर्थमेटिक एंड लॉजिक यूनिट. Next is control unit. It controls all the activities of the computer. It gives instructions to other parts of the computer, indicating what they should do. Okay, so whatever instruction we are giving to computer, what controls it? It controls by control unit. Okay, which is consists of the following unit of CPU. Okay, now next is MU means memory unit. Okay, so what our memory do? हमारी memory क्या करने का काम करती है? memory कोई भी बात होती है उसे रिमेंबर करने का काम करती है, राइट? सो एज इट इज मेमोरी यूनिट, इट स्टोर्स डाटा एंड इंफॉर्मेशन टेम्परेली. ओके, इट स्टोर्स योर ऑल द डाटा whichever file you want to save in the computer, that data stores in memory unit. Next is CPU. So an important part of the computer system, CPU box plays an important part because it has all the important devices in it. For example, hard disk, RAM, microprocessor, motherboard, etc. So students, CPU बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है हमारे कंप्यूटर में, बिकॉज CPU में भी रैम होती है, रोम होती है जो डेटा को स्टोर करती है, हार्ड डिस्क भी डेटा को स्टोर करती है, मदरबोर्ड जिसकी यूज़ से हमारा कंप्यूटर चलता है. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द प्रोसेस होता है हमारा कंप्यूटर, माइक्रो प्रोसेसर एट ऑल. सो दिस ऑल द इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट इज़ रिलेटेड टू CPU. Now let's see what these parts do. First part is hard disk. It is a disk inside a computer. It stores data and programs permanently. It is a set of magnetic plates. Okay, so what is the work of hard disk? It stores data and program permanently. Okay, so hard disk हमारे कंप्यूटर में डेटा को permanently store करके रखती है. Next is RAM. And the work of RAM is it stands for random access memory. So the full form of RAM is random access memory. It stores the information only as long as the power supply is not turned off. Okay, suppose if you are operating, you are sitting in front of computer and you are typing something, right, and you want to save some file and suddenly suddenly lights gets off. Okay, then what will you do? So your data will not be stored, right? It can store data when the power supply is not turned off. Okay, and it can store data whenever you want to save it. Next is microprocessor. So it controls activities of all other units and performs arithmetical logical operation. Okay, so microprocessor क्या करता है? सारी activity, all over activity, whatever task, whatever perform or arithmetic logical operation we do in computer, so that all the activity controls by microprocessor. Next is motherboard, which is the main part of CPU. Okay, it is the main electronic circuit board contain microchip. Okay, motherboard पे ही सारी microchip होती है. As you can see in this picture, internal view of CPU box. Okay, you can see a micro box, hard disk, RAM, motherboard, SMPS. So these all are chip जो कि होती है मदरबोर्ड में. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ दिस इज ऑल अबाउट CPU, कंट्रोल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट. Okay, so I hope you have learned in this chapter about CPU. So students, today we have learned about 3 units of CPU: arithmetic and logical unit, control unit, and memory unit. And we have learned what these parts do, which is related to CPU. So we have learned about hard disk, RAM, microprocessor, and motherboard. And students, things which you need to remember is always sit straight on your chair in front of the computer monitor, and do not sit very close to the monitor as it can harm your eyes.